Hi, I'm Paul Tapier with Auto Parts Warehouse at SEMA 2017 at the Lund International booth in the South Hall. And we're looking at this fabulous Ford F-150 that's covered with all kinds of branded parts from Lund International, and you can get on autopartswarehouse.com. And with me is Barry from Lund International, and we're going to start with this bull bar. Tell us about this.
Sure, thank you, Paul. So this is the Revolution bull bar. It's a stamped steel, one-piece formed, so it has a nice integrated look. We really love the way that the style of this integrates into the front of the Ford. The other thing that's really nice, if I can lean down right here and I'll show you, we have a integrated LED light bar. This is a really nice feature because all of our products, and this in particular, comes completely integrated with the light bar and the bull bar and a wiring harness with an in-cab switch. So you can still take this to the ECU unit if you want to and have it integrated into your lighting system, or you can have it separately mounted to the dash, and it's just a simple on-off toggle. When the LED light's on, then the bull bar light is on. And we also feature for municipalities that require it, a remote license plate carrier right there, and a cover for the light bar where it's required by law as well.
Well, it looks fantastic, looks durable, and it looks like it'd be a pretty easy install.
Yeah, it is. It's a really easy install. There's no cutting required for most applications. We've integrated this right into the frame mount. It just simply has two brackets that mount up to the frame, and in some cases you'll just remove the plastic shroud where the tow hooks come through, and it just bolts right up and it's good to go. The other thing that we like about this is it's a very close profile to the bumper. We don't like a bull bar to be way out front. We want it to have a nice integrated look to the front of the truck, and this accomplishes that with the Revolution.
Well, it looks terrific. And thanks, Barry. At the SEMA Auto Show, trucks, you name it. It's all here at SEMA 2017. Auto Parts Warehouse is where you'll find Lund International and all their branded parts.